Mantere County ma Homa Bay mondo nyiswa ni to chal nade ka lipode ma osichoponwa utewa mag fwambo weche ni ji na ohinyore yiero machal kamano ka bende county ma Migori weche chalo mana kamano ka geno nitiere ni yiero makamage bro dhi nyime kaka no chan kata kamano gisebedo gi chochni ka jopiny to penjore ni to yiero gi bro dhi nyime koso oyo koro wabro manyo ni Ali Beach bendo nyiswa ni to chal nade kata kamano ka wadhi nyime ni Ruodhi Beach mayande oteki kagine apaya ma Wargadugu kochimo Elwak county ma Mandera owe thuolo koyango ma Mombasa jatend migao mara ita Kipchumba Murkomen owacho ni Ruodhi go nie yo ka giduogo pacho ka kata kamano jorango mag Uganda manowala mondo otatwaka mar weyo gi thuolo okoni nosechwalgi ne jodongo mag Uganda Garena man Jilb.
Acted in Mandera have been released and they are now in the hands of Kenyan officials and they will be arriving home anytime soon. This is very good news based on collaborative efforts. As I announced before, that as a government we decided to work together with the community and to work with the county government of Mandera and the local community, and this process has borne fruit. We will be commenting further in the near future, once our chiefs are within the country, and we'll give you even more updates on the progress and what we are doing. Part of the reason why we are dealing with gangs here is to make sure that there is no place in the Republic of Kenya where we will allow any goons or gangs to invade any facility, whether it's a church, whether it is a school, whether it is a street. This country must be led by the rule of law, and injustice anywhere is injustice everywhere. We are not going to allow extrajudicial processes to continue in the country. We must remain a country of law and order, and it doesn't matter. Ours is apolitical. We do not subscribe to any political side. Ours is to make sure that everybody can exercise their right freely across the country without being hindered, as long as they are going about